I'm very attached to this report. This is my first report. It's very dear to my heart, and it deals with a profession which is essential for respect for human rights and the rule of law. And I'm talking of the profession of lawyers. A group of lawyers from Eastern European countries are on a study visit, and I took part in their work. And they told me of a number of their concerns with regard to their personal situation and the situation in their countries. Immediately afterwards, I took part in the side event which was organised by the Council of European Bar Associations, the CCBE, where I heard other lawyers describing the difficulties they had been faced with in the exercise of their profession. I'm also aware of the issue of bar associations which are no longer independent but under the control of governments, and the problem of lawyers who are disbarred. Aysel Bingöldemir from Turkey and Khalid Bagirov from Azerbaijan described the situation in their country and the problems they had faced themselves personally. Civil society organisations, including the Council of European Bar Associations and the Human Rights House Foundation, also presented more general information on the situation in Europe. This problem is becoming worse in an increasing number of our member states. And in my report, you'll find many examples of cases where lawyers were subjected to pressure, threats and violence, and several of them, in fact, have even been killed, clearly with a connection to their professional activity. And my report is not the only report to have established this. If lawyers are not able to exercise their professional activities independently, free from pressure from the authorities or from anyone else, then the protection of human rights through the judiciary and the proper functioning of the judiciary in general are in jeopardy. And therefore there is a very real threat on the rule of law. We should not forget that lawyers are human rights defenders and are often confronted with public authorities in defending the interests of their clients. The Assembly should continue to protect them and to promote their essential role.